Have you ever found yourself staring at your phone, a wave of frustration crashing over you because of a pesky app issue? And when you finally decide to seek help, you're met with an endless maze of automated responses and hold times? Well, if you're a Wave app user, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Wave app customer service. Let's talk about Wave. It's a fantastic app, right? Sending money, splitting bills, it's like magic. But what happens when that magic turns into a glitch? Or when you're staring at a transaction that's gone mysteriously missing? That's when customer service becomes your new best friend. Now, let's be honest. Good customer service is like finding a four-leaf clover. It's rare, and when you do find it, it's a game changer. So, does Wave live up to the hype? Let's break it down. First, there's the self-service option. Wave, like many other apps, offers a robust FAQ section. It's like having a helpful robot friend who's always there to answer your questions. But let's face it, sometimes you need a real person. That's when you'll probably explore Wave's in-app support. Is it easy to navigate? Does it get you the answers you need? We'll find out. Then, there's the dreaded phone call. How long does it take to reach a human? Are they knowledgeable? Are they helpful? We'll cover that too. And let's not forget about email and social media. How responsive is Wave on these platforms? We'll also explore some common issues Wave users face. Things like delayed transactions, account freezes, and those pesky error messages. How does Wave handle these problems? Do they have solutions? We'll cut through the jargon and give you the straight talk. But it's not just about the problems. We'll also highlight some of the positive experiences people have had with Wave customer service. Maybe there's a customer service rep who went above and beyond. Or perhaps Wave resolved an issue quickly and efficiently. We want to share those stories too. So, grab your favorite snack, get comfy, and let's embark on this customer service journey together. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of what to expect when you need help with your Wave app. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.